Hey there, it's Rachel from Redo and Renew by Rachel, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to paint this leather ottoman. I'm going to start by doing 2 coats of the Premium Plus 2-in-1 primer by Paint Couture to give the paint something to stick to. Now that the primer is dry, we can start painting. I'm going to be using the color Midnight Blue, and I did 3 coats of that. Now we're going to move on to the next step. We're going to clean up those lines using the color Pitch Black. Oh, hey there, how you doing? So now we're ready to start adding some fun detail. I love stripes, I use them in almost every piece that I do, so I feel like the bottom of this ottoman needed them. So I don't have the proper width of the painter's tape for the big stripe that I want to achieve. So I'm just gonna take one piece and then put another one next to it because it works just the same. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit because I really don't think you're gonna find enjoyment of me taping lines. And now we're ready to the next step. We're going in with the color Angelic. I'm not going to worry about making it perfect for the first coat because I can always come back in when I do the second to clean up any lines. Call me crazy, but although I love the Midnight Blue, it just wasn't giving me that extra oomph that I felt this ottoman needed. So I went in and did 2 coats of the Lux Metallic Pure Navy, and it made such a beautiful difference. The satisfaction of pulling the tape off. And don't worry, I see those little bloopers I have to fix. As an artist, you need to remember you're always going to have little mistakes that you can fix. Everything's fixable with paint. Now I'm using Lux Metallic paint in the color Pure Gold to add some fun on the trim of this ottoman. Of course, don't forget the top. You got to add some fun up there too. Now we're on the last step. I love painting flowers. Are they perfect? No, but they're perfect to me in my own way, and I love incorporating them on this ottoman. For the roses, I used a little bit of Angelic and Lux Metallic Love Potion. Now here's a recap of all the paint colors we used. And what do you think? I think this ottoman turned out adorable, and I'm so happy with it, and I hope it encourages you to try painting some fabric. Till next time, thanks for watching.